Hey guys, welcome back to J-Rock Yoga. I'm Jess, and today in this video I'm going to be taking you through a short yoga sequence and some stretches that can help you with neck pain or neck tension. We carry so much of that around in our day-to-day lives, so if you're interested in relieving your neck tension, just keep watching. Okay, let's get started. So come to a comfortable seat. You could sit on your shins, you could sit on your sitting bones, maybe you want to grab a block or a pillow, whatever works for you. So come to a comfortable seat, and we're going to start by taking our right hand and wrapping it around the back. So as much as feels good, maybe it's only halfway around, maybe it comes all the way around, however feels good, but you should start to feel a stretch kind of on the top of the right shoulder, just a little bit. We're going to take an inhale. Really lengthen up through the crown of your head, core is in, and as you exhale, gently bring your left ear to your left shoulder. You're going to start to feel a stretch down the right side of your neck, and then slowly gaze toward the earth. Now, take your left hand and just don't press hard, just place the left hand on top of your head so it adds a little extra tension. If this is too much, you can remove the hand, no big deal. But if it's okay, go ahead and just place the hand here. We're going to take 2 strong breaths. Really letting the neck go. And then inhale, come on back up. And just look forward, take a moment. Inhale, lengthen through the crown. As you exhale, left ear to left shoulder, and then gently gaze down. Bring left hand on the top of the head. 2 strong breaths. Inhale, exhale. Breath in, breath out. Inhale, release the top hand, come all the way up. Exhale, let it settle. One more. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, left ear to shoulder, and then gaze down. Left hand on top of the head, big breath in. Exhale, releasing tension. Big breath in. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, come all the way up. Release both hands. Give the shoulders a little bit of a shake. Just releasing any residual tension. And we're going to move to the other side. So we'll take your left arm and wrap it around your back to your degree. So one shoulder or one side of the body might be able to wrap a little bit more. It's okay. Just meet yourself where you're at. Take an inhale, lengthen up through the crown, and as you exhale, right ear to right shoulder, and then gently gaze down. Right hand comes on top of the head if this feels all right for a little bit of extra pressure. Big breath in and out. Inhale, nice stretch to the left side of the neck. Exhale. Inhale, come on up. Exhale, settle. Big breath in, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder, stretch. Place right hand atop the head and gaze down at the floor. Big breath in and out. Inhale and exhale. Breath in, come back up to center. Exhale, settle. One more time this side. Inhale, find nice length. Exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Gaze down at the floor and place right hand atop the head. Take a breath in and out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, come on back up. Exhale, release, and give it a little shake. Really shake out the shoulders, wiggle the fingers, just wiggle the body. Kind of just allowing any tension to settle. Anything that we were holding, just let it go. So for the next stretch, I learned this from physical therapy when I had a little bit of a shoulder injury. And it's called a nerve glide. So it helps the nerves to really move the way they're supposed to. Sometimes they get stuck in between the musculature. So this is a nerve glide, and things that you may feel if there is tension in the shoulder Or, the more tension you have in the neck, the more you may feel this. You may feel a little bit of tingling down the arm, but once we stop doing this exercise, it should subside pretty soon, pretty shortly after. Okay, so this one's a little funny. Let's start with the right hand. We're gonna take our right thumb and pointer finger together. So kind of like we're making a monocle with the right hand, nice circle here, and then we're going to flip it. So fingers down, resting on your right cheek, and you're gonna look through the monocle, elbow goes up. Okay, so if you're with me, we're gonna do finger to thumb together, make a circle, and then flip it upside down and look through the monocle. Fingers are kind of resting on the cheek. Let's take an inhale, lengthen through the neck, lengthen through the spine. And as you exhale, start to reach the right arm out to the right, flex the right palm, and then look to the left. I feel that all down my arm, nice stretch. Inhale, gaze comes back to center, flip the fingers down, look through your monocle. Exhale, gaze to the left, flex the palm out to the right, keeping thumb and forefinger together. Good. Inhale, come back to your monocle, fingers down, look forward. Exhale, look to the left, flex your palm over to the right. We'll do 2 more. Inhale, come back to center, look through the monocle. Exhale, gaze to the left, flex the palm to the right. Last one, inhale to center. Exhale over to the left, hold, nice deep stretch here. And then look back to center, relax, shake it out. So if there was any tingling, any numbness, it should subside very, very shortly after. And we're just gonna make it even, so we're gonna do the left side. So left first finger and thumb together, making this nice circle. The other fingers can just be straight up. And then we're gonna flip it. And one side might be easier than the other, just as the first one. So just do what you can. Fingers come down around the face, looking through your little monocle. Good. Let's take an inhale here, lengthen through the spine, core is engaged. As you exhale, unfurl the left hand, flex the palm, and then look to the right. Inhale, bring it back, fingers down, look through the circle, lengthen. Exhale, flex the left palm, look to the right. Inhale, come back to center, fingers down, gaze through the circle. Exhale, flex the palm, look to the right. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, look to the right, flex palm to the left. 2 more. Inhale, come to center, fingers on the face. Exhale, look to the right, flex palm to the left. Nice stretch here. Last one. Inhale, fingers down, gaze forward, lengthen. Exhale, look to the right, flex palm to the left. Release, shake out the hands, shake out the shoulders, let the tingling subside. Getting nice movement. Good. Hopefully we're starting to feel just a little bit more open in the neck and the shoulders. We're gonna do 1 more. So we're gonna turn on our mats so we can use the full mat. And we're gonna come to our hands and our knees. Good. We'll start with the right side. So inhale your right arm all the way up to the sky, reach it up. And then as you exhale, thread the needle, back of right palm, right shoulder and right ear on the ground, stretching here. Draw the right hip back. So it's gonna wanna kind of lean forward. Draw the right hip back in line with the left. And then press into left hand. Let's inhale the right arm back up. And exhale, thread the needle again. Keep right hip back, right ear on the ground. Inhale, right arm up to the sky. And then as you exhale, thread the needle and we'll hold it here. You have an option here. You can keep the left hand down. If you want a little bit more of a stretch, place the left hand on top of the right and interlace the fingers. And then press the left knuckles out toward the left side of your mat and really stretch through the whole right side. Let your breath be normal here. With each exhale, see if you could soften. Deep breath in. Long breath out. 1 more inhale. And exhale. Left hand comes back. Inhale, right arm up to the sky. And then place everything down. We'll do the left side. Inhale, left arm floats up. And as you exhale, thread the needle, left shoulder, left ear on the ground. Good, nice stretch, left hip pulls back. Inhale, float the left fingertips up, opening the chest. Exhale, thread the needle, left shoulder down, left hip back. Inhale, one more time, reach up, expand the chest, open. And as you exhale, thread the needle, and we'll pause here. Good. You can keep the right hand as it is, or you could place right hand just the top left, interlacing fingers, and really press the knuckles away from you. You'll feel a stretch in the back of the left shoulder girdle. Take breaths in here. And with your exhale, try and soften, relax the ear, the left cheek, everything down onto the mat. Breath in, breath out. One more big inhale. And as you exhale, press right hand into the mat. All fours, inhale, left arm to the sky, open your chest. Exhale, release it down. So there you have it, a few stretches to hopefully help you relieve neck tension, neck pain, or even some upper shoulder pain. I really hope that this video helps you because neck tension is something that I've struggled with for my entire life, all through high school. I really hold my tension up in my neck and shoulder area, so I know how frustrating it can be to always kind of feel like you're locked up there. So comment below if this video helped you. I would love to know because this is what I do to help my neck tension. If you want more videos like this, or if you're struggling with anything else, I would love to make videos that would help you. So please subscribe to my channel. I put out a new video every week and I'd love to hear from you on what to film. If you're interested in following me on Instagram, I'm at jrockyoga, and my website for longer flows, recipes, blog posts, all the life stuff is jrockyoga.com. Happy practicing, and we'll see you next week.